The Giocattolo Group B stands as one of the rarest and most ambitious cars ever built in Australia. Conceived during the bold automotive era of the 1980s, it was the creation of entrepreneur Paul Halstead and race engineer Barry Locke, who set out to prove that Australia could produce a world-class supercar. Halstead, who made his fortune in the early computer industry, was already importing and racing Italian exotica through his Sydney dealership, the Toy Shop. His fascination with high-performance cars, especially the De Tomaso Pantera, led to collaboration with Locke, a former McLaren Formula One engineer who had worked with James Hunt. Together, they envisioned a mid-engined car that blended Italian design with Australian muscle. The base for their project was the Alfa Romeo Alfa Sud Sprint, chosen for its compact proportions and pre-approved components that met Australia's strict design regulations. Initially, the Giocattolo was meant to use Alfa's Busso V6, but when Alfa refused to supply engines or bare shells, Halstead and Locke turned to a different power source, Holden's 5.0-liter V8, tuned by racing legend Tom Walkinshaw for Group A touring cars. The engine produced around 335 brake horsepower, driving the rear wheels through a ZF 5-speed transaxle. Construction took place in Caloundra, Queensland. Each car featured a reinforced subframe, Kevlar and carbon fiber bodywork, Recaro seats, air conditioning, and weighed only about 1,085 kilograms. With a top speed near 260 kilometers per hour, 160 miles per hour, it could out-accelerate many European rivals. Only 15 examples were completed between 1986 and 1989 before government funding cuts and Australia's late 1980s recession ended production. Despite its short life, the Giocattolo represented a remarkable engineering achievement. 14 of the original cars survive today, treasured by enthusiasts who recognize them as symbols of Australian innovation and determination. Decades later, the Giocattolo Group B remains a striking reminder that even in a small coastal factory, supercar dreams briefly came true.